to the channel. Kid Showtime here, the Hype Beast bartender. And what I got right here, bam! Oh yeah, check it out, y'all. It's that pumpkin spice latte martini, y'all. Oh yeah, it's that time, it's that season. So you got a pumpkin spice latte with a martini, y'all. You heard that right. So you got coffee in here, you got vodka in here, and you got some pumpkin spice in it as well. So I'm gonna show you how to make this. Let's go.
I got you, baby. Anything you wanna do, I got you, baby. Anywhere you wanna go, I'll take you, baby. Anything you wanna do, I got you.
We're gonna do 1 ounce of vodka, by 1 ounce of coffee, followed by 1 ounce of pumpkin spice, sugar, bam, it's syrup, followed by 1 ounce of milk. Oh yeah. That's so. Oh yeah. So you want to lick the rim, get some of that cinnamon sugar caramel, and then take it down, y'all. Tastes like a boozy pumpkin spice latte, y'all. Can't go wrong with this. This is a delicious martini, y'all. Especially for your pumpkin spice latte lover. So try this out. Let me know what y'all think. To the next one. Oh, yeah.